So the engine mount is out. Next you have to lose this bolt, this system bolt, which are four of the system bolts. So the mount is out, and also I have moved the casing for it. The casing, these are the casing, which are 17 sockets, 7 sockets, sorry, 7 socket for it. Next you have to set the timing for it. You can see this hole for 1.6. You have to set it to be this side. So the current is here. So you have to turn the engine to make it to this side to set it, and also you have to send the pulley down to set the pulley down. You can see. So to set it, you need to carry this hole to this point here, set for the fuel pump, pulley to, and set for the camshaft. You can see. You need to carry it here. So you need to turn the engine to set the timing belt for 1.6 liters. You can see it's setting. You just have to turn the engine small with my 18 spanner. So you can see this hole going through that side. This fuel pump needs setting as well. See the hole for the camshaft pulley. You can see the hole for the camshaft pulley, so you just have to turn it a bit to be in order. Yeah. Yeah. So after set it, then you put your bolt. So I'm on my 13 bolt. You just have to pull it down the hole there. So bang on, the bolt is in. So next you have to lose this 13 pulley adjuster. Yeah. So the pulley adjuster is loose. You just have to turn it a bit, then move your belt. Move your belt from here, from the water pulley. You can see everything off. Same with this one, all off. You can see the water fuel pump set. You can put the hole there. Then move this one. You have to move this one all out. Off, then you have to set this one back because it seems the engine went out of timing. See, yeah. Next you have to lose your water pump and set this properly because it's not in the middle. So you have to put it in the middle. Now it's in the middle. This one is alright. One up there is alright. So the water pump both are out, which is 7 of them. So all you need to do is just to make it a bit somewhere anywhere in the weak points, which is the weak points. You can see just to get the bit more small. Then you hold your water pump to drain the water. All the water is completely drained. Next is just to clean it and put the new ones in. So this is my new water pump from Deco. Yeah, so I have to clean it. So this is a paper gasket. You have to put glue on it. silicone. My silicone is put in place, and this is the one I use, black gasket marker. So the silicone is in. You also always put it, if it's a paper gasket, you need to put silicone so it will not leak, always. So it's done. So I put silicone on, put gasket, silicone again, now pull it in now. My water pump is in, the new one is in. So next is just to put the rollers. Yeah. So all rollers are in. This one is 16, this one is 13. It's with the pin. So this one is set. That one is set alright, and the up one is set pretty much. So next, what's next? Just put in your belt. So this is my new belt. So the belt is on, probably in. So next you just have to move this pin. Then you have to like set it to this point, then tighten it. So everything is in. Next you have to do just to put everything back. Your casing, your mount, everything, then couple it back. So the mount is in, the system both in, cover is in. Next to put the pulley, put the belt, then go up, couple the up. Yeah. So the pulley is in, main pulley is in, the belt is in, everything in. I'm done with the down. Next is to couple the up. Pretty much. So this is a simple way how you can put timing belt for 1.6 engine, HDI engine, good engine, very good engine, electrical engine. I like the engine. Just step by step. If you have any question, how to pinpoint the hose, because if you don't put the hose right, the engine is not going to start, and if you don't do it right, there's a possibility you might lose the engine. And just feel free to follow along, tag along, watch my other videos how to do other things on the Peugeot Citroen Expert engine. See you later, and have a wonderful time. And I have to start the engine to show you that this is good, man. So everything is back in. My two bolt is back, my mount is back, 16 bolt tight. This one is tight, everything is tight. You just have to put the pipe back, your pipe for the fuel, you put return pipe, then pour coolant in, then start it up. Yeah, you can see our engine is completely start, timing belt done, everything done. Just like and follow for more. Yeah, you can see the timing belt is completely done, put new coolant in, everything is alright. Just like and follow for more. Thank you. This is how to set timing belt for your 1.6 liters engine, HDI. Yeah, there's some more videos in my channel, just you can watch them and learn more. Thank you.